In this short video, we're going to go over some more forms or form elements to add to our basic custom HTML form for FLMSG. And if we look back to the original form that we had here, we'll see that we had our custom form a.html with our first name and our incident date. I'll go to edit form. Again, we put in the basic information, change the dates, click submit form, and the information gets carried over to FLMSG. Now we want to go back to FLMSG's help page, the user manual on w1hkj.com, to custom forms, custom HTML forms. And now we're going to look at the next one down here. The next thing we've got, besides the text and date, and by the way, I skipped the password field. We will go over that later. We're going to use a checkbox. I'm going to copy and paste this text from here so you can see how it's used. I highlighted it. Control C to copy. Back over here after this and do Control V to paste. Add some tabs back in here so it's pretty easy to see what's going on. I actually like to put the paragraphs on its own line and the inputs on its own line so it's easier to see what's happening. Alright, so this P, so I'm putting a paragraph marker between the last input and the text that's being displayed on the page. Okay, we can actually move this up to the same line as it's pretty much closing out the tag afterwards. Okay, we're putting another space between it, another paragraph marker between it. My input fields, so instead of text, now it's a type checkbox, and here is the name of the checkbox. In other words, the name as it's going to show up here on the FLMSG form, and what's in between these tags right here after the closing tag of the input is the text that's going to display after the checkbox. And same thing on the next one, CB2 for checkbox 2, and so on down. And you'll see again there's a BR afterwards, a break afterwards to move it down to the next line. And all the way down except for number 7. Take a look at number 7. There's an extra value in there. After the CB7 there's a checked equals, in quotes, the word checked. That's basically saying all these other ones have no checked value because we didn't assign it. That means it's unchecked. It's not going to be checked. But because we said on this one we want the checked value to be checked, that means it is going to be checked by default. And we'll view that in a second. So I'm going to save it. I'm going to bring up FLMSG. I'm going to load the form again. And you'll notice now I've got all these values. Ah, look at that. See that? CB7 says comma on. Well, comma on is what it means if it's checked by default. And we can verify that by I'll make another one checked. So I'm going to go up to CB3 and I'm going to make that one checked. So now we should have CB3 and CB7 checked by default. Again, go to form, custom, reload it, and now CB3 and CB7. And that's good. That's what it looks like on the form, but let's go see what it looks like in the web browser. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 3 and 7, like we said, are checked. And just to make sure it's working right, I'm going to check all but number 4. And I'm going to put Ralph, and I'll choose a different date, the 25th. Submit form, go back over to FLMSG. Let's get Ralph's name. All but number 4 is turned on or checked. And the incident date of 9/25, exactly how I put it in the input form. That's how to handle checkboxes. And we'll go over some more form elements in the next training video. Thank you very much for watching.